Hello everyone, this is Jim. Jim is developing a business application in his Zoho Creator account. After multiple failed attempts at solving a bug he faced, he decides to contact the support team. Unlike the routine practice of sending emails, conveying the issue over calls, or giving edit access to his application, this time Jim wanted a more quick and simple procedure to communicate the issue. So he opts for the new screen record feature. What is this and how is it any different? Screen record is an additional feature to reach out to a support team where you screen record your issue and send it as a support ticket or attach it to an existing one. The self-explanatory video not only saves your productive time spent in explaining the issue, but also on attaining your consent, it collects the necessary debugging information while recording and helps our support team to identify the issue easily and come up with a solution in no time. All you need to do is go to the Help widget, click Support and select Screen Record. Here, give consent to the required data and start recording. Choose what part of the screen needs to be recorded. Here, let's choose the entire screen. Once the 5 minutes countdown starts, every action of yours within the same window or profile will be tracked henceforth. Open your application in another tab and replicate the whole process that led to the issue you faced. Let's say the detailed view of records are not accessible in this report. Navigate back to the Screen Record tab in your browser and click End Recording. Now the screen record summary opens. Here, you get to preview the recording and see if you missed out on anything. If you need to alter it, you can either edit or record again by clicking either of these tabs respectively. Let's see how editing can be done. You can provide detailed voice overlays, annotate, type on the screen when required, add arrows for indication, and even trim and mask any sensitive business data with our inbuilt editor. Do ensure to check the edited version before saving it in the editor, as a preview option won't be available later. In case you need to re-edit, you will be taken back to the source recording. Click Finish. You are now taken back to the screen record summary. The video is ready to be sent. If you have an existing ticket, click on the checkbox and add the ticket ID, or else fill in the details. If you have any additional files to include, you can attach them here. Once you're done, click Submit. The screen record feature in the Help widget can also be accessed from the live application and the application editor. Your job's done. Leave the rest to a support team as they scrutinize your environment and get back to you.